One morning, Thomas bumped into Brendan Dobbs. Controls his waiting. We are all here to welcome the new engine. His name is Nana. I've heard he's very special. I've heard he's very strong. And bumped into the dogs. And was very special. He had red wheels and a bright red cowpuncher, and he was very tall. The engines have never seen an engine like this. Hank looks as strong as a giant. I'm sure he isn't stronger than a Sodor engine. Now, Thomas, I have 3 jobs for you. First, you must take new machines from the docks to the factory. Then you are to pick up stone from the quarry and deliver it to the shunting yard. And lastly, you must pick up an old tractor from Farmer McCall's and take it to the repair yard. Yes, sir. And you must take Hank with you. Hank must see the important sights of Sodor. Be back by tea time for Hank's welcome party at Knapford. Thomas buckled up to the machine front. And shut the lock inside. Hello. Howdy, Thomas. Now you look like one of the finest little engines I've ever seen. Thomas didn't like being called little. I'm a tank engine. Thomas thought tanks was being cheeky. Those trucks are way too heavy for you. Let me take them for you. Tank's immensely helpful, but it made Thomas cross. No, thank you. I'm strong enough to pull much heavier loads than this. I'd be happy to help, but Thomas was already puffing out of the knocks. At the signal, Thomas didn't take the track to the factory. He trucked straight to the quarry. Thomas pulled ahead.
Bye-bye.
And I may not be long, but I will show Hank that I'm stronger than strong. He hugged to himself.
Sino yan? Sabi mo, Thomas.
Now I'm going to pick up the stone truck.
Thomas.
Hold your humping there, Thomas.
Thomas.
Let big old Hank take those tracks for you.
Thomas.
No, thank you. Tank engines can pull very heavy loads. So Thomas, he
Yan, Thomas.
Thomas weaves and weaves.
Meron kayong ganyan?
Babay.
May ganyan kayo? Doon, sa pantaan? Meron!
Hey, Thomas, how you gonna whistle? Hello? Thomas had the whistle.
Lolo.
Thomas,
Sabi mo muna, Lolo.
Thomas pulled